Hey, what's up guys, I'm going to show you a useful trick. It's called resampling, and what it is it's recording what's going on, and I'll show you how that's useful. You might be like, what the heck is that? So basically you go externally in, you go resampling, you go in, and then you mute it so you can't really, you don't get feedback, right? So we're going to select that, right? You'll notice that we'll hit record and we have the sound coming in through here. So I want to, let's say, okay, we'll take a snippet. We'll loop this section here. Right, so I'll record that. Right, so I recorded over it twice just so we have a nice little loop to work with. So this is basically our song. It's in a single audio format. It saves us time from having to bounce, and it's kind of meh. So what we can do with that is we can create kind of like glitchy fill effects and other interesting things. So let's take it and we can like stutter it. All right, we can reverse that. Yeah, you can just do interesting things. Right, so you basically create like a fill. What the heck? Pop that. There. Right, you have that. We can also even record. We'll record this, and I'll show you another trick. Right, so I will external in, resampling in, mute. Okay, so I have that, and I'll go external in, off again. I'll take that. So this is not in the group. We should actually put it in the group so it's affected as well. So what I want to do, I can do a really interesting effect. So I'll just duplicate that over. Nah, I'll just get rid of it all completely. So what we'll do is I will warp it. I'll double the length. Oops, there we go. So I doubled that length, and this is something that you couldn't really do with all the tracks put together. So I'll show you what that sounds like now. Right, as an example, and you can do some really interesting things with resampling. And let's see. Yeah, I guess that's basically it. So this is it for the Ableton course for now. I'm gonna upload it, and what's gonna happen is maybe in a week or two or a few days, I'm gonna come out with like an addendum. So it's like a PS, and I'm gonna be going over some things that I forgot, which are a few things that I can think of right now, like the gated effects. I'll show you gated effects and other kind of routing shenanigans. I have a list, and people have been commenting. It's like, oh, you should talk about this. So I'm going to be doing that in like post videos, and going over like certain techniques, different compression modes, maybe. But yeah, don't be afraid to comment and hit me up on Twitter or comment on the videos physically. And I hope you learned stuff, and we'll be back with some more Ableton videos shortly, but for now, it's Bidweek time. Alright, have a good one.